this is going to end very, very, very badly. To repeat, the better it gets, the worse it's going to get when it comes to an end. I would suspect that when it ends, we're going to have the worst bear market in my lifetime.
Not only am I calling for bust, I'm saying the potential is there because of the leverage I mentioned. The potential is there for this to be the largest global financial crisis in history. Just the size of the leverage on the system and the missteps that I think could happen here, or the fragility that could lead to things unwinding quickly, we could have something bigger than 2008-9.
If I'm brutally honest, I think 22 is going to be the single biggest macro change year in history from a point of view that we are the end of the road of everything. Quantitative easing doesn't work anymore. It's political untenable because it plays to the rich people basically in the narrative of the left. The ability of Fed to produce electricity is zero. The ability of the political spectrum in the US to do anything in a midterm election, nada, zero. So we are left at the destiny of a market with 90% government control, but that 90% government control is just going to get things worse.
You would have to have valuations about 70% below where they are right now in order for stocks to be at levels that have historically been consistent with historically normal equity returns of about 10%. And so when you look at that curve, what you're really seeing there is not so much a projection, but a relationship. It's a relationship between current valuations, starting valuations, and subsequent returns. Now, the level that we're at historically would normally be associated with expected returns of about 6% negative annually over a decade.
I would say, I think the odds are that this bust is contained pretty much within a 12-month period. And I'm talking about from a standpoint of the statistical bust, the negative GDP part of the bust, and the involuntary liquidation cycle. I think most of that will be kind of within a 12 to 18 month time frame, probably closer to 12. The bear market, I think, will be faster than 2008-9, and particularly the bulk of it. That in 2008-9, the biggest part of the bear market, even though it started in 2007 or topped in 2007, the bulk of the bear market was October or late September 2008 to March of 2009. So using that as kind of the bulk of a bear market, I think this one could happen faster than that. Peak to trough, you could be down 80%, and you could have it happen in 6 to 9 months time frame.